Most people would be surprised to find out that 95% of the asparagus grown in Peru is actually air freighted out of the country. We have the opportunity to extend the shelf life of asparagus and other fruits and vegetables to an extent that we can shift the mode of air transport to sea transport. By adding just a couple extra days of shelf life to that asparagus, we can take the equivalent of 100,000 cars off the road, and that's just for asparagus.
Our Keeling curve entry is a partnership between two organizations that work on the system of rice intensification. This rice sowing method, known as SRI, requires less water, much less seed, and fewer or no agrochemicals. SRI reduces the global warming potential of irrigated rice production by 20 to 40%.
At the Savory Institute, we're empowering farmers around the globe with the land-regenerating power of holistic management. We're finally giving consumers the power to vote with their dollar in favor of carbon-sequestering food and fiber. And in 5 years, we expect thousands of producers to be enrolled, sequestering at minimum 2,500 kilotons of carbon. That's the equivalent of 2 million cars off the road.
We represent Takachar, where we use technology to help smallholder farmers in rural areas turn their crop residues into a carbon-negative fertilizer blend that help them improve their yields by up to 30%. If we are successful, in 5 years, we'll be removing as much CO2 from the atmosphere as taking 100,000 cars off the road.
In Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and India, TIST has been helping farmers fight poverty, famine, land degradation, and climate change. In the next 5 years, TIST will reach nearly 200,000 farmers, sequestering over 5 million tons of CO2, offsetting annual emissions from about 1.1 million vehicles.
Every day 10 million trees are cut, so the objective with Tree Token is to use cryptocurrency and the blockchain to unlock the potential for investing in agroforestry impact projects. The money of Tree Token will be invested in Peru and Colombia to plant 40 million trees and generate 13 million tons of CO2 equivalent. So to conclude, I would say, may the forest be with you.